Hello, today I will show you how to manage voucher orders. First, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click on All Vouchers. You will be taken to a page where all vouchers are listed with details such as title, price shortcode, and publish status. Click on Edit below the voucher title to open the detailed view and review its settings. Here, I am viewing the voucher that will be used to place an order. Now, open this voucher on the front end to place an order. Fill in the voucher creation form by selecting the design, completing the voucher form, previewing the details, and then proceeding to the payment section. Pay the voucher amount using the desired payment method. Once the payment is received, the order will be placed successfully. Next, go back to the Voucher Creator plugin and click on Orders. You will be redirected to a page where you can view all orders, including orders placed by you, published orders, draft orders, and trash orders. You can view the voucher PDF for any order by clicking on the PDF icon in front of the order. There are also action options available for each order, including Mark as Paid and Mark as Used. If an order has already been paid, the admin can click Mark as Paid. If the voucher amount has been used by a customer, the admin can click Mark as Used. You can also perform bulk actions such as edit and move to trash and filter orders based on the month. Thanks for watching.